2 points. Binigay kay Madrid, Brandon De La Cruz. Now De La Cruz, guard by Alipio. He brings the pass to De La Cruz. For the shoot. And the lane violation. Here comes Baha. And it's a transition against Baha. No good. The ball by Madrid. Here comes Golion. Pinasa kay De La Cruz. Madrid, ako ang bumo. Nagkakabagsahan. It's a handball. Retained the position. 13 seconds for the shot. Nahihirap ang umasa. Pinas kay De La Cruz. Henshu. Here comes De La Cruz, number 26. In and out. Foul on number 18 for Mishika. 50 throws on Madrid. And a warning on jersey number 26, De La Cruz, for Team Golion for assistant for a ball. Assistant for another ball. Two for two, on Madrid. The man-to-man defense. Foul number 6 for blocking foul. Here comes Baha. Guarded by Shiri. Umikot. Inamit ang malangka. Let's go. De La Cruz. Pass De La Cruz. Si Gabriel. Malingan niya na pasahan. Alipio. And comes Alipio. Here comes Gabriel. Lumusot. No good. May matog. Number 18. Nakahanap ng papasahan. That's what leads to number 16. Here comes number 4. At pinasa kay Baha. Pagkadinarin pa yung Alin City. Here comes the ball na kapigal. At natama sa kanyang hila. Ang bola po mapupunta sa Golion. De La Cruz. Binalik kay De La Cruz ang bola. Two points on De La Cruz. Here comes De La Cruz. Head shoot. Retain goal position. 8 seconds on shuttle. Madrid, no good. Baha for the rebound. Pinaglag kay Alipio. Velasco using the lasso. Gabriel. comes De La Cruz. Up Bugayon. Pinasa ni De La Cruz, number 6. Nice pass on De La Cruz sa ilalim. Madrid. Binalik kay De La Cruz. That's good. 6 minutes. No good. Alex Sweet for the rebound. De La Cruz on the ball. And the bounce pass. Pick up by Bacco. Now Bacco this spin. And hitting over the wall. Half move. The pass on Velasco. There's so easy. And the foul number 27. Alex Sweet for the league defensive cylinder. Rebound De La Cruz. It's 9-8. And keeper of team number 2. De La Cruz ang nag-iimon. Pass to De La Cruz number 20. And shoot. Alex Way. That's an end play. Pass is down. Foul number 16. For the legal use of hands. Substitution. Rebound by Madrid. Foul on number 23, Baha for pushing shot. And the shoot. Double foul number 16, Alipio. And a foul number 6, De La Cruz on Team Bugayon. Substitution. Second personal foul on Alipio. Second personal foul on De La Cruz. And shoot. That's good. Foul number 23, Gabriel, for hockey foul. Substitution. Here comes Sumiki. Nakalusot. Hindi naman ang tira. And become a Sumita. Now Sumita. And shoot. This making is through. Madrid on the ball. De derecha, no good. Substitution. Pinasa kay Pito. Rito lang. Madrid. That's the Bravo fake. The drive, and there's the whistle. Foul on number 0 for legal use of that substitution. Penalty situation. P. Malabato. Chip 1-2. Sir, napatay muli. Substitution. Sir, may pag-isisip na electric lang. Natuto na nagalaw eh. Okay, back to the movie. Here comes the Bravo. Back to Bravo. Bring it out. And the shoot. They're good. And the battle for the rebound. At ang bola mapupunta sa number 4. 2 minutes and 3 seconds. 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Sumita to number 11. Then shoot. Here comes Estrada. That's Toman Galayo. Foul number 15 for illegal use of hand. 2 free throws. Toman Galayo. Time out. Bugalyon.
Irungan naman substitute kan. Pangal kali harus irungan mo dyan.
Sama naman rin.
That's the jersey of Macalayo. Gregaro to Bravo. Here comes number 22, Liliquitos. Then shoot. Nabitawa. There's number 22, Liliquitos for 2. Nakalusot si Rizal. Inasa kay Quintos. Here comes the Bayon. Bravo no good. Fernandez. To Gregaro. 1 minute. Then shoot. Foul number 22, Niquitos, penalty. Two for 2 on number 11. 2017 on the score. Favor of Baltimore. Niquitos. Making smooth. The pass of Fernandez. Spin. And the shoot. No good. Foul by number 3. Here comes number 30 seconds. Denied, but there's no whistle. Foul number 13, Islam. Further league of Papa off the hand. Rebound from Islam. Here comes the number 4. Kinasa na Sumita. Guarding by Al-Huludin. And Islam. At nagkakapapasahan ni Vito. Now Vito guarding by Al-Huludin. 11. 8-7 shoot. Offensive foul on number 3. For illegal square. First personal foul. First foul on Vito. At nasusundan sa likod si Angelo de Sumita. Kapapagaling ng isang shoot. Sumita. Hindi. Pamalas sa photo. Adaludin. Bitawan ni Al-Shwib. And turnover on team. Bungayon. Islam. Nakalusot. The U-Stead into good. Pagkalayo. Kumira. That's good. The football is good. Pagkalayo. And now De La Cruz, the full jumper. Binigay kay Sumita. Sumita, lays out. Hindi mo na rin. At Haludin, binigay kay number 4. At nahanap si number 10, At Haludin short. Rebound by Islam. Here comes the number 4. Islam. Tinatawin ng bola. Pinasa kay Pagkalayo. At Pagkalayo. Kinasa na yung number 11. Now number 11. Foul number 3. Vito. Santuchin. Second personal foul number 3. Vito. 13 foul on team number 2. And now, De La Cruz, the pass on number 4. Here comes Ana Haludin. Natigilan, Sormesa, issue. De La Cruz. No good. The ball with De La Cruz. They were playing no good. Magdalayo bola. Bakot, binigay kay Fernandez. And last one, asking for the ball. Puti ka na. Fernandez, pinaling kay Bakot. 7 shoot. Bakot making his move. Tumira ng press. Bakot, back to the it's profit. 10 shoot. Alice Way. Tumira ng press. So good. Battle for the rebound. Pick up in number 4. Castle. The turner on Shadow good. Rebound by Velasco. Here comes the number 4. Kumata kung mana. It's a 12-3. Fernandez on the corner. Good. Rebound by De La Cruz. And De La Cruz. Pinahay kay Castro. Now Castro making his move. Pinahay kay Angelina on the corner. Let's go. Sumita. Guarding by De La Cruz. Binigay kay Bakot. Guarding by Angelina. Alson. Back and move. Nakabulan. Kay Alice Way. Kaya sa Angelina.
Arias. Arias.
Steal, Archantin, De La Cruz. De La Cruz, tumingin pa. Here comes Bakod. And now Bakod nakalusot. Bakod sensitive. Nakapunta na po. Foul number 4 for illegal contact and substitution. Sumita coming out. Here comes Alivio coming in. Split journey on Mahmoud. 13.8 na namin score. 5 minutes on the second quarter. Arnau substitution. And now Alivio, guarded by number 13. And the shot clock winding down for 10. Alivio, sumasayaw, umasa. Alivio, good. And pick up by Alistri. At Chaldin for the ball. Here comes Chaldin. Ang bilis na baba ang depensa ng team number 4. De La Cruz. No good. Battle for the rebound. At ang bola mapupunta sa number 4. Pero Velasco, pinamalapit ang kanyang commander as to about 10 shoot, backward for 3 points. It's a high zone beat. Oh, di ka na. Iya ba? Ajaludin, fake Ajaludin, full of game. Let's go! And now Alivio, guarded by De La Cruz. Everything is through. Pass to Fernandez on the corner. Papasa, Magkalayo. Napalakas ang nangyayira. And alam yun. De La Cruz. Munti ka na. Pinasa kay De La Cruz. For 2. At iiso na lang ang malamangan ng backboard. Magkalayo. Pinasa kay Alivio. And now Alivio on attack move to spin the fake. And shot. Nakapunta ng foul si Alivio. Foul number 27. Out free for a illegal contact. Substitution on both teams. Si Mamay Baka, denied by Castro. 11 seconds to shoot. Substitution. El pass to Velasco and shoot. Fernandez. A quick release. Negu Castro for the rebound. Here comes Mugayon De La Cruz. Pinasa kay Gabriel. Gabriel nakakita na po ang left to the Yamis good. And we are tied at 34. Bakod. Napitawan. But he didn't over the ball. Nakabingwit ang foul. Si Bakod. And the foul number 6. 6, De La Cruz, for illegal use of hand. Substitution. Third personal foul on De La Cruz. 13th foul on Ivo Mayor. Pass to Fernandez. Now Fernandez. Yung bola. Pick up by number 13, De La Cruz. At pinasa kay Madrid. Madrid, the killer, crossover, let's go. The killer sends it, brother. There comes Velasco. Nakalusot kay Castro. Denied by Gabriel. That's good. Uling ang balon. Madrid, that's good. Era Walipio. Foul number 23, full pushing foul.
May mapunas pa.
Taking position. They're good. Retaining position. 12 seconds to the shot clock. Napasa kay Gabriel. Pass to Del Cruz. Garing na raw ang bola. Pass to Castro. Now Castro, pinalig ni Garing na raw. De La Cruz, no good. And the ball out of bounds. 1 minute and 42 seconds on the second quarter. Substitution. Substitution. Now single play. Binigay ni Nagkakamula sila. Foul number 21, Fernandez. For legal defensive center. 2 free throws to foul. Two for two on top. 38-36. Ang ating nasa talangan, 1 minute and 20 seconds. Garing Garaw. Muntikang mais lang, 10 to shoot. Battle for the rebound, Fernandez. Napalakas. Nakuha ni pa. Last time sa Timo Gayon. Foul number 23, Gabriel. Third personal foul on number 23, penalty.
Danilo.
Security on substitution.
1939. Ito na yan eh.
Ilang ko pa? Engineering. Doon, masarap.
Galing Garaw. National Retreat. Galing Garaw sumakot. Habang ginugulo ni Galing Garaw. Pinasa kay number 10. Ito Alipio. Now Alipio. On the ball. Kapay Galing Garaw. Kapay. Bakot na 2 points good. 20 seconds. Fernandez for 2. 10 seconds, set away for a buster. Point 9 seconds. Point 9. Ladies and gentlemen, at the end of the first half, now the score 40-39 in favor of Guayon. Williams Fernandez to number 10, Achali. That's good. Two points on Velasco. And Bravo ang nagtitimo Naso Achali to the Quintos. The Quintos, ilan lang kay number 17. And the 2 points to number 17. Asuncion. Here comes Bravo. Bravo. Winning ang depensa. It's a probable violation.
Sabihin mo na yung audio ng ano, sabi ko kuya Facebook, alilo.
And Alipio. That's the Maha. Nakawala. Open layup. Naabot ang Derry ng Asuncion. And sa block ng Asuncion.
Ay, sa internet yun.
And now, Ajaluddin to Bravo, all alone. Lays up his go on number 7, Bravo. At lumalayo ang team Guayon, 46-41. Pinasa ni Velasco, pass to Bagol. Now Bagol. Foul on number 21 for blocking foul. Felix. So, Dina. Second personal foul on number 21. Team foul number 1 on Team Guayon. Back on the good. And a foot down by number 10. Here comes Asuncion. At munti kang magawa ng bola. The Quintos, wide open three. Look good. Velasco for the rebound. Here comes number 4. Binigay kay number 10. Here comes Domingo. And Alipio tumahan. No good. Nakagaw niya. And there's a whistle. Oops. Foul on number 21 for pushing foul. Fernandez. Third personal foul on Fernandez. Second team foul on Guayon.
Drama sila. Drama sila.
Vago, muscle shoulder. That's grounding violation.
Punta next! Oh, sa bagong!
Hello, Vago. Pass to Velasco. Velasco, nasa harapin mo. Retain ball position, 12 seconds on the shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot. Hello, Vago, 10 to shoot. Foul number 17 for pushing foul. First personal foul, 13th foul.
Ay, may Clara.
A troubling violation on muscle shoulder.
Punta next!
Nanggigil sa bola. Nanggigil. To Velasco. Tulog sa Panginoon. And now Fernandez has to Iquitos. At pinapalapit ang kanyang mga kasama. Has to Haji Bravo. Bravo for the rebound. Pick up by Alivio. Guarding by Anjaludin. Pass to Baco. Here comes the left board. Baco. Pass to Baco. And it came to Billboard. Napakabo. Napakabo ng isa. Ang team number 4. Timeout. Mayor. Torres for Barangay Dumalan Rings.
Manager mo muli.
De la Cruz, that's the Quintos, Matt De la Cruz. Serena De la Cruz, Inasay Quintos. And the shot clock winding down. It's a 2-on-1. It's a 2-on-2. Alivio! Good. And a foul by number 10. And a pick up pass to De La Cruz. Easy pass to Alishwi. Real good. Alivio for the rebound. Here comes the Floriora. Alivio, pinakababola. And now Alivio, dinisgaran na yan. Alivio, mapasa. So good. Foul number 23. Offensive foul number 23. Nahuli. Second personal foul of foul. And now, 50-54. Abante ng apat ang Labrador. Here comes Mahal. Now, Mahal making his move. transition. Naapak sa linya si Domingo. Retrieve position. 17 seconds to shoot. Madrid. Domingo. Emang Velasco. Binigay kay Alivio. Ganaw ng Alivio. Pinasa kay Marco. Tumira na 3. Domingo. It's a zero ball.
Hoy, ano ba may pinsalit? Takma mo na. Labin mo ang labanan. Takma na ko.
Foul on number 18 for illegal contact man. Folks, team na proto, pakibilan mo yung mga na-players mo na nandoon. Ang dami mo nila. Sir. Kasi po, tatlo lang po nasa bench.
Ano lang nasa bench? Pati nagsulog dapat hindi kasi dapat ito po sa isang coach team siya. Ano lang sabi natin?
Isang head coach, assistant coach, saka representative ng municipal na
Sir,
Sila dito, ano mo?
Before Magdalayo, here comes number lower. Alivio, ginugulo ni Luz. And still, De La Cruz on Toronto. Behind the bag, to Gabriel for two. Here comes Domingo. Domingo Umagada. And the ball out of bounds. 2 minutes and 53 seconds. De La Cruz. Tratando winding down for 10. Madrid na bola. Nakakapit ni Velasco. Gabriel. Tumira. Pabanda. Gulod. Agaw ang bola. Agaw ang bola. Madrid po na bola. Head shoot. Alice Benedud. Domingo. Here comes Domingo. Pinasa si Alivio. Pass to Bakod. Bakod. To Domingo. Tinabas ang bola. Head shoot. 2 points for Magdalayo. 2 points for Madrid. Foul number 6, De La Cruz. For illegal contact. Fourth personal foul on De La Cruz. Number 6. Warning for fouling out substitution. Warning of penalty on team. Pumayo.
Nasa mga repa na. Sigurado di ba natin?
Domingo. And And Miguel Fernandez, here comes the number 4. Johnny Carao. Pinasca em Bravo. That's Silvestro. Hold up jumper on the elbow. No good. Rebound by Fernandez. At nabitaw ng bola. Miguel may pa. At siya na rin ang nabababa. Pa! Diretso! Left-handed layup. No good. Pa! Pa rin ang bola. Pa! Titira! No good. Galing na lang. Pinato kay Bravo. And attacking yung Domingo. Retained position. And the shoot.
Yo.
Gabriel Good. Gabriel, wala pa rin. And ball by number 10. Phoenix.
Maraming bata, maraming bata.
Wala bigla. No good. Gabriel for the rebound. Gabriel kay number 7. Bravo. Number 4, Castro. Nakabuo na foul. Basket foul. Foul number 11, Domingo. For illegal use of hand. Correctable error. Fernandez, number 11. Rebound by Pa. Warning on jersey number 13. Warning on team number 4 for making a foul. Domingo. And they found a foul on number 23 for pushing foul. Pushing foul number 23, Gabriel. Fourth personal foul. Warning for fouling out. Galing ka raw. And comes Bravo. Now Bravo. Pass galing ka raw. Gabriel. Using the pass to do. Rebound by Fernandez. Isla. Binigyan kay Domingo. Pull up jumper. Using it. Up is good. And 67, 66, 59, nabante mo lang ito. Ang team number 4. Bravo, ang naglilipon. On Fernandez. No good. Domingo for the rebound. Castro for the rebound of Marion. Pinasa kay Bravo. It's a full court to forward violation.
Pagkalmusal nila.
Bigay pa. Tension. Crumbling.
Relax, Labrador!
Castro, no good. And the ball out of bounds. Retaining ball position. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Technical foul of jersey number 13 is not for profane language.
Relax, paano ba yun? Labrador. Kirintay ko ba yun?
Getting it out.
Wow, missed out.
Foul number 9. Suminda. First personal foul. 13 foul on team number 2. Fernandez. And the shoot.
Okay, patay oras yun, patay yun.
Good. For the rebound. 6 minutes on the fourth quarter.
Relax! Down lang, down!
Here comes Ma Faker. Then the shoot. The spin. The shot. No good. Baha. That's good. Pablo dribble. Domingo. Nakakigilin na kamay ni Domingo.
Magaling ka. May tama ka!
And now Bravo. The still play. Bravo. Mirandes. No good. Imame Gabriel. And comes Suminda.
Relax!
Suminda. Umasa. Domingo. Foul on number 7. For legal foul of the hand. First personal foul on number 7. Substitution.
5 minutes. Ay, last minute.
The 2-2 on Fernandez. 71-59, the line score. Alice Ray for the layup to do. Gabriel Then the shoot. De La Cruz for Deo. Don Gabriel. Aba sa shot. Ang kalamangan ng team number 4. And now Baha, binigay ni Islam. 3 minutes and 52 seconds on the fourth quarter. Islam making his move. Ang atake. Filling up. Offensive foul of number 13, Islam. And
May review yan. Sir, may review. Sir, may ano tayo? May ano?
Daniel! Sir Daniel! Sir Daniel!
here comes Madrid to Chamberlain. Nasa ni Gabriel, using the passes dude. Timeout, number 4.
Wala na ako na po yata.
Sisi pa, i-review mo.
Here comes Alipio. And pinasignal po pass to number 7. And shoot! Pinagay kay Baha. Bakod. Lugod. Limang may Madrid. Here comes Buvalyor. Team ito ang hinahabol ng Buvalyor. Al-Jautin. Pinasa kay Madrid. Yusuf na Masgen. Is huge. Babas na lima. Ang kalamangan.
Patay ko.
Alipio, ang nagtitimon. And now Alipio, pinigay kay Baha. And now Baha fake. Then shoot. In and out. Baha for the rebound. This is not a good. And Buvalyor running down. And here comes Gabriel. Anjalo din. No good. Bakod for the rebound. Foul number 23. Bigay kay Baha. And now, Bakod. Alipio. Eat the shoot.
May bigay Domingo!
Domingo. No good. Rebound by Fernandez. Here comes the Cruz. Last 2 minutes. Fernandez. Bola. Velasco. In traffic. Let's go.
Panaw.